Hi everyone, my name is Casey Ayers and welcome to my course, Business Analysis Techniques Evaluating Solutions. Business analysis efforts create tremendous value for organizations of all kinds and sizes, but doing so requires analysts to apply a wide variety of techniques in order to accomplish their roles successfully. In this course, we'll explore the many tools you have at your disposal as a business analyst in order to ensure your change initiative is successful in generating value for your organization, including those that are related to generating and evaluating acceptance criteria, measuring the financial and qualitative success of an initiative, ensuring traceability and accountability in solution development, and gaining sign-off on initiative success from key stakeholders. By the end of this course, you'll have gained familiarity with the tools and techniques that encompass the tasks that analysts complete as they evaluate their progress in developing solutions and completing business analysis endeavors. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with some of the principles of business analysis in order to better relate to the materials we'll discuss. This course is also part of our CBAP Prep Series, helping you prepare for the premier certification offered by the International Institute of Business Analysis. It can also help you earn continuing education credits for this and other certifications, like the ECBA and CCBA, and is a great resource for you even if you're just looking to improve your craft as a business analyst. I hope you'll join me on this journey to improve your business analysis skills with business analysis techniques evaluating solutions here at Pluralsight.